I'm a fucking weapon. I'm stressing, I'm stressing, I'm stressing, yeah. She naked in the kitchen, Pyrex steady flipping, stove steady clicking. I'm in the cabinet, in the couch too. Only come out when I have to. When I do, it's damage, it's chaos. Must be drastic, but happy with a savage. What we do is magic. They hear the noise first, second I pop out. I was just slapping, they shook. I sneezed, they gone. God bless me to close my eyes. But I love when my brother peek in, open my eye, fill me with hope. Hope I could touch something, let me touch a person. Who do you hate? Who really fake? Who do you hate? Who really fake? Can we off him? Can we off her? You know I'm stressing. I'm a fucking weapon. Yeah, I'm stressing. I'm stressing. I'm a fucking weapon. Ooh, I'm stressing. Yeah, I'm stressing. Few can really handle me, some label me, some cradle me. I'm not the enemy, just the bear bad news. That's how they depicted me. When I speak my mind, only get the backlash. My voice means a lot, I try to speak up, talk louder. All that's left is tears of vengeance. I pledge my allegiance to the second. I don't need more stressing. I'm a fucking weapon. What I gotta do? Teach you a lesson? What I gotta do? Teach you a lesson? Can we off him? Can we off her? How about the little girl with the purse? Or the twin boys? Please, can we off him? Please, please, can we off him? I mentioned to. It only take a second. I'm stressing. You know I'm stressing. I'm a fucking weapon. Yeah, I'm stressing. Ooh, I'm stressing. I'm a fucking weapon. I'm stressing. Make some money, let's rob a bank. Get me mad, blow the brains. Assassin on the roof, bully kids, show their friends for proof. Suicide's last friend to the very end. Clerk at the store, retired soldier. Home security, put in the trash behind the dumpster. My ride or die, niggas I love, all for the love. I don't judge, all for the love. I don't judge, all for the love. I don't judge. Did you find me when you low? Did you find me when you was high? Did I resolve your problem or add to it? Revolve around the way. Every language I speak fluent. I'm stressing. I'm stressing. Yeah,
But the secrets men ascertain by their own power are not enough to guard against the poison of insanity. At least not for all. The love of God is like a strong binding. It holds our mind together in the shape that He desires it to be. Without this binding, we fall apart.
I'm stressing.